Hey YouTube gang, we're at it again today. We're gonna have some dinner at this local restaurant. They got a really nice outdoor area and a nice seating upstairs with the cool breeze that blows through it. But we're here to try something that's very, very popular in the Philippines, particularly the province of BICOL. BICOL Express, I hear it's spicy, let's go. Is this BICOL Express hot? All right, we're gonna go upstairs to the dining area. It's not air conditioned, but it's really nice. They got a breeze through here. I come to this restaurant quite a bit. It's one of my favorite. Usually they have nice music and stuff playing, but it's a quiet night tonight, which is very nice. Let's sit down and see what's on the menu. Let's find out about this BICOL Express. Hello. You got a menu? Okay. Now I've heard you got the best BICOL Express. So your BICOL Express, it's lots of spices?
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Maybe I need 2 waters.
Just preparation.
Yeah, to cool down my tongue. Which page is the BICOL Express on?
Anong page daw po sa BICOL? Yes, sir.
Ah, there it is, BICOL Express. But no picture, huh?
Hindi daw picture, sir.
Okay. Well, I'll have one order of BICOL Express for me,
Okay, sir.
and a water, and whatever my friend here wants.
Chicken nugget.
All right, we got our BICOL Express ordered. Thank you. Our food is here. All right. Oh, maybe I should have asked for some rice too. It doesn't come with the rice? Yes, 1 rice, please.
You have some plain rice?
If you have Java,
Java.
Java would be nice. Thank you. Right, I can see a lot of spices.
Good luck, sir.
So here we go. This is the infamous BICOL Express, and it's supposed to be spicy. I like spicy, and I think it's pork based. There's pork and seasoning, and let's try it. Nice restaurant here. So what are we gonna do? I think first thing we'll do,
Just taste first.
is this BICOL Express hot? Oh yes. Oh yep. It's very hot.
Just prepare.
Oh yeah. Lots of chili peppers. Yeah, we'll try mixing it with some rice now. It's actually good. So the spice is actually kind of faded away pretty quick. I mean, it's still there on my tongue. I like this. Let's put it on some rice. That's what we'll try next. I think that's how it's traditionally eaten. Everything goes with rice in the Philippines. Rice is the primary food. Okay, that's pretty good with rice. I'm not a big fan of rice, but it changed the taste of it a little bit. It's not so spicy and not so hot. So they got a lot of seasoning in it. And then there's pork. There's pork meat in there. It's actually very, very, very tender. That's good. What'd you get, JP? Chicken?
Yes, sir. Chicken barbecue.
Barbecue chicken.
My favorite.
So in addition to the pork, they got the chili peppers in there. It's making it very spicy. But there's also onions. There's onions in here. And some kind of oil. I guess there's an oil that they use as a base to cook everything. And it's actually pretty good. I would certainly eat this again. The BICOL Express, the spicy BICOL Express. Man.
It's hot. Very, very hot.
Very hot. So this is a pork-based BICOL Express, and I seen in a restaurant the other day they actually had a seafood-based. So there'd be shrimps and different seafoods obviously in there. I think that would be something to try. The pork in this is tender and it's nice. It's like a slow roasted pork. But the seafood, I think that'd be really good. Spicy seafood, BICOL Express. This is good. Definitely got to have your water on hand when eating this stuff. Can't waste the sauces. I think that's the magical part. I'll just take my rice over to this other plate. Get all of it. We're not giving anything back.
It was made.
Yes, we're gonna maximize, get everything we can out of this dish. It's actually very, very good. I know I keep saying that, and that's because it is. That's amazing. Well, YouTube gang, that's it. BICOL Express is gone. We've knocked that one out of the park. Excellent dish. It's pretty spicy. I enjoyed it. So as a foreigner's perspective, BICOL Express is approved. Very approved. I think I'll be eating this one again. So definitely. Well, thanks for watching. This is my experience with BICOL Express. I think you should try it too. And also, hopefully you'll have already pushed that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button down below. And that allows you to get notified the next time we put out videos. So also hit that like button, that helps us and lets us know you appreciate our videos. So until next time, hit the 2 videos. There's going to be one here, more BICOL adventures, and then we're going to be doing some more down here in general videos and documentaries. So we'll see you soon, YouTube family.